In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Meta Pixel to Typeform. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Meta Events Manager. Sign into your Meta business account, then head over to Events Manager and choose the pixel or dataset you want to connect to your form. Once you've selected the correct one, copy the pixel ID. This ID is what tells Typeform exactly which Meta Pixel should receive your tracking data, so make sure you copy the right one before moving on. Next, open Typeform and log into your account. From there, open the specific form you want to track. It's important to connect the pixel to the right form, especially if you manage more than one, because tracking will apply to the form you're currently editing. Once you're inside the form, click the Connect tab. In the Integrations area, search for Facebook or Meta Pixel depending on what appears in your workspace. When you find it, click Connect to begin the setup. This opens the integration window where you'll link your tracking source. Now paste your Meta Pixel ID into the field provided. This is the core part of the setup. And once it's entered correctly, Typeform can begin sending event data to Meta. If you need support for iOS tracking, turn on the Enable iOS Tracking option. Keep in mind that this feature requires a custom subdomain in Typeform. If you don't already have that configured, you may need to complete that setup before this option works properly. In some cases, you'll also be asked to complete domain verification. If that happens, follow Typeform's instructions to register and verify your Typeform URL inside Meta Business Settings. Usually this is only something you need to do the first time you create the integration, so once it's done, future setups tend to be smoother. After that, return to Typeform and click Save. At this point, your Meta Pixel is linked to the form. Now it's time to test everything. Open your published Typeform, interact with it like a real visitor would, and submit a test response, then use Meta Pixel Helper to confirm that tracking is firing correctly. Testing is an important final check because it helps you catch setup issues right away instead of discovering them later. Finally, check your events. Typeform can send standard tracking like page views, along with custom events such as Typeform First Interaction and Typeform Submit. If you don't see activity immediately, don't worry. It can take up to 24 hours for events to appear in Meta after your first test. And that's how to link Meta Pixel to Typeform.